So in my last video, I realigned this sawmill and I re-leveled it and fixed the sawmill head so it was going to be cutting parallel to the bunks. I'm about to start cutting boards off of this red oak log, so let's see how well my alignment worked. So it seems to be cutting pretty straight. When we get to the end here, we'll take some measurements and we'll see exactly how we're doing. So these are the last couple of boards that I got off of this log. I'm going to go ahead and measure each of the ends, the middle, and just measure the thickness to see, is this cutting an even thickness all the way across, because that's what we did, is we leveled the sawmill so it will cut nice and flat all the way across. So I'm going to grab my tape measure and we'll see what we got. I'm going to go ahead and measure this end of each of these boards on this side, the outside edge of the board, and then I'm going to measure the other side, the inside edge of each of the boards. The measurements should be the same from side to side and from end to end and in the middle. So let's double check that now. These oak boards may be a little funky when it comes to checking the middle compared to the ends, because red oak has a lot of stress in it, and so sometimes it will kind of bow as you're cutting it, and the ends can be a little different from the middle. So let's go ahead and do that. So this end is, if I pull this tight, just a hair under 3 millimeters. Let's check this one. This one is a hair under 2.5 millimeters. I'll check the very end. Same, just under 3, just under 2.5. Now let's check to see what the middle of the board looks like. So here's the middle of this first outside board. It is, again, just a hair under, or exactly 3 millimeters. So that's pretty much the same, within maybe a tenth of a, centimeter. So that's pretty good. Probably even like, yeah, it's less than a 16th or even a 32nd different from the end of the board. This is just under 2.5 centimeters. So it's exactly the same as the end of that board. So far, the middle of these boards is the same thickness as the end at the right end. Now let's check the other end. All right, let's see what we have. This exactly, or even just slightly under 3 centimeters. And just under 2.5 centimeters. So these boards, end to end, on this outer edge, are exactly the same. Now I'm going to flip them and check the other side. We have just under 3 centimeters, which is exactly the same as the other side. And this side is perfect. On this one, just under, mosquitoes, just under 2.5 centimeters. Just under 2.5 centimeters. Oh yeah. Yeah, those are exactly the same. That's excellent. Drum roll, please. Oh wow, that's awesome. Just under 3 centimeters again. And just under 2.5. The very ends here. Just under 3. Just under 2.5. Straightening out the sawmill, clearly, as you can see with these boards, made quite a bit of a difference. Thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate you being here at the sawmill. If you like these videos, please give them a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I do a lot more of this crazy stuff. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.